Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well. I am Muhammad Hassan Hafizur Rahman, Senior Teacher English, Cambrian School and College, Dhaka, is now going to conduct a class with you. Dear students, try to answer the followings. What is this? You can see here a box. Man, can, book, cook, pen, rice, mouse, wait. What are these? Dear students, this is very easy to you to answer this question, and your answer may be these are words. And now, what are these? C plus A plus T equal to cat. COM plus PU, pew, plus TER, tar, I mean computer. In plus tell plus li plus zent equal to intelligent. Dear students, and now these are syllables. Let us discuss on words and syllables in our today's class. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to define word and syllable, classify syllables, define different syllables, and identify syllables. Dear students, what is a word? This is a question to you, and this is a very easy question. I hope all of you are able to answer this question. However, let's see here. What is this? Mango. I mean M plus A plus N plus G plus O equal to mango. I mean there is a set of letters to write this word mango, and this word has a meaning in Bengali, that is Now follow, dear students, there is something also. Is it a word? Just follow, dear students. O plus N plus A plus G plus M equal to onasm. Equal to onasm. I mean there is also a set of letters here, but it has no meaning. It has no meaning. Just follow mango. This is correct. I mean this is a word, correct. But is it correct? No, this is not correct, because it has no meaning, but it has a meaning. And now, so a set of letters bearing a meaning is called a word. I mean, learning outcomes number 1 is completed here partially. Dear students, now fill in the boxes with correct word. You can see here some pictures with boxes in the right sides. You have to write down the main words according to the pictures. You can see here a bird. This is a bird, and this is a word, because BIRD. This is a word and it has a meaning. In Bengali, it is Pakhi. Like that, you can see here flower. It is also a word because it has also a meaning. Like that, apple, and then book. After that, pen, and then bee. Look, that is a mosque, and then hand, and at last boat. What do we mean by syllable? Dear students, this is also a very easy question to you, and I hope all of you are able to answer this question also. However, look at the board. C-A-T, cat. I mean, pronounced with one beat. I mean, cat is pronounced with one beat. I mean, it has only one unit to this word to pronounce. C-A-T, cat. And now follow, dear students. In Bengali, ekbare uchcharon. Clever. Clay plus var. Dear students, pronounced with two beats. I mean, this word has two units. One is clay and another is var. Clay, var. Now follow, dear students. This is pronounced twice. I mean, দুই বারে উচ্চারিত হয়েছে এই শব্দটি। And now, important. Im plus 4 plus tent. 3 beats. I mean, this is pronounced with 3 beats. I mean, 3 বারে উচ্চারিত হয়েছে এই শব্দটি। And now follow, dear students, continuous. Con-ti-nu-us. I mean, this is a word pronounced with 4 beats. অর্থাৎ এই শব্দটি 4 বারে উচ্চারিত হয়েছে। And now follow, dear students, C-A-T, A. This letter is red boxed here, and then clay, E, and then also E, and I, then O, then A, and then O, then I, then U, then O, U, S. Follow it very carefully, dear students. And now there is a question for you. What is common in each bit? What is common in each bit? Just follow, dear students. A, E, I, O, U. What are these? Dear students, so every single bit of a word with a vowel or vowels is called a syllable. What is the definition of syllable? We have already achieved this definition. I mean, learning outcomes number 1 is fully completed here. Dear students, and now what are the classifications of syllables? This is a question to you, and by this time you have already achieved the answer of these questions. However, let's see what is described here. According to the unit or beat of pronunciation of a word, syllables are classified into 4 kinds. Number 1, monosyllable. I mean, pronounced with only one beat. And number 2, disyllable, pronounced with 2 beats. And then trisyllable, pronounced with 3 beats. And last of all, polysyllable, pronounced with 4 or more beats. Okay, dear students, now follow. This is a question for you, that is, what is a monosyllable? I mean, what do we mean by monosyllable? Follow, dear students, very carefully. You can see here a word, and that is fat. I mean, F-A-T, fat. This word is bearing a vowel here. You can see, dear students, and one vowel, no problem. And then this word is pronounced with only one beat. You can see another word here, and that is book. I mean, B-O-O-K, book. There are 2 vowels in this word, and this word is also pronounced with only one beat. Okay, dear students, and now come to the point. So the word that bears one or more than one vowels and pronounced with a single beat is called a monosyllable. Dear students, now follow very carefully. If more than one vowels are used together in a word, it takes a single sound, like E-A equal to E, E-A-U equal to only U, and O-U equal to A. Like that, follow. E-A-T, it, beautiful, continuous, etc. Just to know more, EA, it is pronounced with a single letter, I mean E, and then EAU. These three letters take only one letter as pronunciation, and that is U, and then OUS, us. Now there are some activities for you. Follow, dear students. Now fill in the boxes below with monosyllabic words. I mean, this is a picture you can see, that is another picture, and that is another one. You can see also a picture here, and this is also another picture, and last of all you can see another picture here. And dear students, now you can see some boxes below the pictures. Now you have to fill in the boxes below with the monosyllabic words. This is rat, that is food, and that is bird, and run, then ball, and at last field. Dear students, what is a disyllable? This is a question to you. Disyllable. What do you mean by disyllable? Just follow, dear students. Today, just to analyze today, 2 plus day. 2 plus day, dear students. I mean, this word is pronounced with 2 beats. Like this, you can see here some words with 2 beats. Women, WO plus MAN, contact, I mean con plus tact, then rocket, rock plus cat, candy, can plus D, and etc. So the word that pronounced with 2 bits of sound is called a disyllable. What is the definition of disyllables? We have already achieved that definition of a disyllable. Dear students, now let's advance. What is a trisyllable? This is another question to you, and follow, dear students. Beautiful. If we analyze it, beau plus T plus full equal to beautiful. Okay, dear students, this word is pronounced with 3 bits. Beautiful. Like this, there are some words here. Accident, accident. Activate, activate. Adventure, adventure. Admission, admission, and etc. like this. So the word that pronounced with 3 bits of sound is called a trisyllable. Dear students, and now what is a polysyllable? Follow, dear students, very carefully. Here you can see a word, and that is examination. If we analyze it, examination, examination, and this word is pronounced with 4 bits, with 4 bits. And now follow, dear students, like above, there are some words here. Musician, musician. Activation, activation. Pronunciation, pro plus non plus c plus a plus shun. And last of all, meritorious, meritorious, and etc. Now the definition. So the word that pronounced with 4 or more than 4 bits of sound is called a polysyllable. Dear students, classification. Notice it again. Classification. This word is pronounced with 5 bits. 5 bits. So we have already understood that polysyllable is pronounced at least 4 bits, or it may be more than 4 bits. This is the example of this polysyllable that pronounce with 5 beats here. This is all for today. Allah Hafiz.